Hello, hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will be discussing a freelance project that I got through Upwork. And this project was from an African legal firm that wanted to understand whether there is any pattern among their winning testimonies or not. The project is related to textual data and natural language processing. So let's get started. This tutorial is divided into four parts as you can see here. The first three we'll be discussing in this video, and the fourth part, which is the solution implementation in Python, that I'll be discussing in a separate video. So let's go ahead with the job description. So this is the actual description that was submitted by the client. Here they are mentioning that they want someone with NLP and data mining experience, and they mention that they have a lot of text files, and we need to find hidden patterns in the data. And they've additionally mentioned that a quick turnaround time is needed and familiarity with textual analysis and pattern recognition is needed. So when I had a look at this proposal, when I had a look at this job description, this is the proposal that I came up with, where I've mentioned my previous experience and some of my previous textual analysis projects. Going ahead to what the actual project was. So in this slide, I've presented like what my understanding of the entire project end to end. So the client had textual data in separate text files where they had testimonies in those text files, and each of those text files was tagged as winner, loser, or accuser and defendant. Right. So now the main objective of this entire activity was to understand that is there any pattern among the winning testimonies, as I've written here. And the client was not looking any form of legal insights based on context. The client just wanted generalized insights that were related to like text, like whether for example, whether the textual testimony, how long should it be in order to improve the chances of winning, like how many nouns, pronouns, and these things should be there in that testimony in order to make the chances of that testimony's winning easier. Okay, so basically this was the entire project, and I had, as I've mentioned here, that the data available was around 8 legal proceedings at text files. And initially, I did some data manipulation to ingest those files and make a data frame out of that. And then I did data cleaning, where we have stop word removal, punctuation removal, and making the case consistent. And in forms of results, I had subjectivity and polarity scores. I had most recurring unigrams, bigrams, trigrams. So diagrams are nothing but diagrams are two pair of words occurring together, and then trigrams are three words occurring together. And I depicted these in form of word clouds. And then I also had the what is the average length of the testimonies and distribution of parts of speech across the testimonies, that how many nouns it contains, how many pronouns it contains, and so on. Now, further analysis, and all these results were broken across winner, loser, accuser, and defendant, right? And in terms of what further could have been done is, I've mentioned here, like knowledge graphs could have additionally been done, topic modeling and text summarization could have been done. But as these were not the requirements of the clients, these were not done in this project, right? So moving ahead, the project budget was actually $50, but I underbid this project so that I get this project. So the total earnings for me for this project was $40. Now moving ahead to the solution implementation. So we'll be discussing the solution implementation in another video. Thank you everyone for watching.